Hi everyone, my name is Christopher Calloway. I want to welcome you to a brand new edition, but this time we're doing a set of programs so you can learn more. Let's just go into the code. Now, here's my first one, the token machine. It's expressed in a business method. Now, I'm going to start with the first line to the 21st line. Now, let's learn print token machine. This is like the introductory program to it. Then here goes take. Number two, take. How many tokens do you want to take? Then it will add and then it will subtract. Then you add all the tokens together at the end. So let's begin. If take greater than 100, you get refunds. But if you do, you take all the ones you chose. Then token one, that also wants you to add. But if you don't add it up to 300 or it's greater than 300, that means that means you get a refund for every money you did. I mean it. Take all the tokens you added. You take all the tokens you added yourself. Now, tokens 2. It allows you to subtract the money. Now, it'll be 200 now. Tokens 2 is about subtracting. If it's greater than 200, that means you get refunds. But if you take all the tokens you subtracted from the main cost, that means you paid less than or equal to 200. Congratulations. Now, total is take tokens 1 and tokens 2. Now, you now print the total of all of them. Let me tell you the interpretation. This won't take too long. I'm serious. The interpretation of this, starting from the introductory to the end, is about investing in your own business, collecting more tokens and tokens and tokens. Because those tokens may be like the dollars or the naira or any other currency in the world can use. If you just keep collecting coins and coins and coins, you may invest in your own business in the future. Now, let us run it and see how it works. I'll test it 2 times and then you see how it works. Then I'll give you the assignment in the YouTube comment. Let us run the program as respectfully said. Let's say I want 50. Let's say I want 150. Let's say I want 100. Ta-da! This is what you get. Let me run it another time, and this time it'll be times 2 of everything. And then we are done for the day. And then we'll see you next time on the Christopher channel. Let's run it again. This time I'll choose 100, 300, 200. Then, voila! It's 600. Now you can use the 600 to invest in your own business and you get more and more money to provide for yourself and your family so you can live your life. And you can also use it in needs and wants. So, it looks like my work is completed here today. Make sure you also try and do this on your own. Now, I'll send the assignment on YouTube so you can learn very well. See you in my next video. Bye. See you soon.